Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nearite. I know the lighting is a bit off and all, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do my use is the LA Girls concealer in the shade Mahogany or the NYX Brow Gel in the shade Brunette. So what I'm going to be using today is the Brow Gel. I'm going to put some back on the back of my hand, and I'll take this eyeliner brush and do little spots. Now you want these to look natural, so you don't you not only want to pat them underneath your eyes, you know, but some places where you know freckles appear on the face. Put a little spots. I use my finger to just pat it in. Then what I usually do next, sorry I'm going in the drawer, is just put some powder over it so it looks natural. This is the MAC Studio Fix powder. And see, this is a highlighting brush, but just use any brush. This is the one my hand come over. And I just put some powder it so it looks natural. That is it. A quick video of my faux freckles. If you guys want to see me do this eyeshadow look, just comment down below. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, love your extraordinary self.